Hello, this is Hits for You. I'm Chris.
I'm Jason.
Today we'll be ripping some random packs here, see if we can get some good pulls out of them. By the way, we do sell stuff on Whatnot at Hits for You. So if anybody's interested on picking up some Yu-Gi-Oh products, we're almost live every day around 4:30 to about 8 o'clock. All right, let's get ripping. So the first pack we got is Power of the Elements. Hopefully we can get something good out of here. This is the first pack. I don't know the card trick in this, so we're just going to go straight down. Here we go. Crawler Soma. Ravenous Vendrid. Gadget Gamer. Ooh, there's a super. Vern. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. Oh, the Awakening Forest. I guess that was our hit. Not bad. We got a super out of it. Next pack, we got Dimension Force. This is the UK edition. These cards are gonna look pretty cool. I don't know the card trick, so we're going straight down it like the first pack. Scareclaw. See if we can get a hit. Oh, there's a super. We did get a super. Battle Guard. Symphonic Warrior. Heroic Champion. Light Law Medium. Next pack, we have Invasion of Vengeance. Alright, here we go. Predaplant. I know somebody will like that card. We'll throw it in their package tonight. Charming Resort Staff. Oh. Ooh, Crystron. That's our hit of the pack. Not bad. Crystron Entry. Gretel Slime Jr. Gretel. And Crystron Turtle. I'm not even going to pronounce that. Next pack, we got Brothers of Legend.
Interesting card name.
Yeah. Here we go. Brothers of Legends. I think the hits is the last card on these. All these cards are foil. Alright, we got GW is what I'm going to call this one. Phantom Knights of Ragged Gloves. Wind Up Arsenal Vinmayo.
Can't read it.
Horse of the Floral Knights, and we got ZS Utopic Sage for the secret.
Nice.
Next pack, we got Tactical Masters. We got Valence Mad Marquez. Invader of Darkness. That's a nice one. Cosmic Cyclone. That's a good spell card. Senate Switch. Lilith Lady of Lament. Trap Trick.
Good card.
And Valence Genis Grand Duke for the super. Not bad.
Not bad.
Next up, we got two hanger packs of Maze of Masters. Also, guys, we're going to have the link in the description of our Whatnot channel. Yesterday, we pulled Blue Eyes Ghost from Ghost from the Past 2. It was epic. And it was in beautiful condition. Alright, let's see what we can get out of here. Here we go. Allure Queen, level 7. Rank up, Magic Argent, Chaos Force. Crystron, oh geez.
Crystron.
Yeah, Crystron. Trickster Diffusion.
I know somebody's wife didn't like that.
Oh, there's an Ultra Union activation. And Antidote Nurse. Gladiator Beast Tamer Editor.
Nice.
And our last pack. Make sure you guys like the channel, subscribe. We're gonna be doing these as often as we can. But we are real busy on Whatnot, so make sure you guys hop over there through the link in the description. Last pack magic. Let's get something good. Here we go.
Let's go.
Sorcerer Strategist Longion? Eon?
Mm-hmm.
Or of the Tachyon Galaxy. Oh, there's our hit. Divine Scorpion Beast of Circuit.
Mm-hmm.
Sorcerer Supreme Sovereign Qing. Thunder Dragon Roar. Hey, that's a good rare.
Mm-hmm.
And Gladiator Beast Laquari. Last card is called Clear World. Alright, that's it, boys. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment below. What's your favorite card that we pulled? What do you want to see in the next video? We'll catch you later. Peace out.
Thanks for joining us.